Today's video is a lace front wig from Dragon City, and I got it for 700 rand. All of these things, they cost me 810 all in all. I think this was 70 rand, and then this was 40 rand plus this. So the shop number is C22/C50 at Dragon City, and then it's called Rainbow Hair. But where it is in Dragon City, I get it, you know, Dragon City has got two buildings. Like, there's the big main building, and then there is a smaller building that is under a parking lot. It is by the smaller building. When you're looking for the shop number, see something, you're not going to find it that other side where the big shops are, but it's by the smaller side where the small shops are. I saw the shop on TikTok, and then I was like, ooh, this is nice. This is nice. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Wait till na sinkile ka trend ka mirira Dragon City batho ba go TikTok ba ntsheha na go ke le show ka nna ke le show byang. If you don't know, go check my TikTok wena ba ntsheha o tlo go byang ke daily week. This feels really good, and again now I've bought a couple of wigs and a couple of hair go Dragon City, and the quality is not the same. One thing I picked up about this hair was that the quality was proper. Hanagilo go, I saw some lace fronts for like 600 and so on, but this one feels way more silkier. I get it, got the grade 14, the Remy, the what, and then look at the inside. So as I said, we're gonna give full lace front. It's a full lace front, and then bari I pre-plug. So the lady with the by pre-plug so I'm gonna try and just install it as is. I'm not gonna try and pluck this wig. I've never plucked a wig in my life, and I feel like so I want to show you for one of the low maintenance girlies, hooray, this is how the wig comes as is. Woo, Luna, keep it you guys, okay. I mean, bitch. Okay. First of all, this looks like my natural hair. This looks like my relaxed hair, but if it went to private school, you know, this is how I wish my relaxed hair would look when I relaxed my hair. Marana my relaxed hair shem ne waiting abuse. Actually, all in all, no abuser. Whether you relaxed or naturally I shem abuser. I low-key think I wanna pluck it a little bit, ne? But I'm not gonna do that today. I just wanna show you like off the bat. If I was just, you know, you wanted to install this right now, this is the girl you're working with. And that's also one of the things that has put me off from buying lace fronts, is that I have a small head. So you can see the lace is literally like covering my entire ear. Just for you to see, the lace is literally covering my entire ear, and I don't like that, but I guess we're gonna discover it together. So I want to mark the center nyana. Okay, it's positioned at the center, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark where I need to cut the lace, right? Chalk. So for tinting kajeko, my Hermosa Flow palette, if I can find it. So I'm going to use my Hermosa Flow palette for Hermosa Flow palette, and then get this middle contour shade just to tint the lace wig. Ne? The reason why I'm tinting it like this, right, is I also don't wanna bleach the knots. I'm not ready to take on the challenge of bleaching knots. Oh, I like that. You see, it's a little bit better. It's a little bit more like my skin tone. I watched so many videos, but for some reason, since I record it feels like I forgot all the research lady studies. I feel like exam. I took exam was study shawa crema wirang. Mar hepam pili ele itamopula how. Bona, the subscriber unavailable. 4:10 in Luyawa. You shut down. Scarcity influencers. I'm gonna cut off the lace, right? I'm gonna cut it off. Like, I'm just gonna cut off the excess and see how the wig fits without the excess. Where's my guy working for the baby hair? I got very weak. I got very took. Guy working for the baby hair. Got took. Okay, sharp. Anyway. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. Now my ears can poke out. You know? Tsebedia tlahella mole le kamo. Tsebe e tlahelletse very nice and well. So now I can do the glue things, right? So I'm gonna use this glue to spray on around, right? And then it says I must put like 3 or so layers. Okay, I must put 3 layers, let it dry. I don't have the patience nor the desire, so I'm gonna get my hair dryer and I'm just gonna like apply my hair dryer around. The amount of time it took me to find my hair dryer, that first layer had actually dried up. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna apply another layer. Put a third one, just for luck, you know, 3rd time's a charm. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I think we're fine. I think we can install this wig. So now, how do these people do this properly? Happy, how look on the videos and the TikTok what hari thing. Those girls, but you know, it's so easy. Go and a wig, little man to man. You but to send. Okay. No, I've got this. I know what I'm doing. Oh, woman, I'm more straight. I straight. And I glue mama red. Yo, mujuaka kando ala sarbo sorti lace front di songani saso. Yo, matata, di wiki. Yo, siya bangena kir. Kokla. Oh, Indluyawa. I don't know what to do. Indluyawa 4:10. Indluyawa. So I've seen all the girlies cut the lace like this. I don't know how I feel. Yo, it's a new wiki. Ikatile, iskens, iskenzi, tusang. Bonafella, but anyway, bonafella. Yo, but anyway, I'm gonna now try and melt this thing, because all the girlies are melting, right? Are melting, and then how we melt, according to the girlies, I'm gonna spray. So I just take a rubber band and I do it wet? I think I do it wet. I don't remember. But anyway, we're here now. We've already applied it. In 2023, I can't melt a wig. Shem, I'm sorry guys. Ka 2023, I can't melt a wig. I can't lay a wig. You guys, kunzima kuningi. Kumnyama. Indlu yawa 4:10. It feels long, but it's only been 30 minutes. So I focus. Now I'm kids. I can stress. I don't know how long I should leave this melting thing for, honestly. While we're waiting, this rice water, apparently it makes my hair smooth and glossy. So I think I'm going to apply a little bit of it. It's not that bad, actually. It's not as bad as I thought. It's not as bad as I thought. But it's also not amazing. But for my first ever frontal application, I'm not mad. I'm going to try and see if I can, like, minimize that demarcation line. Ne. And I Luna. But so the air foundation it's true. You know what? I can't wait to get this right. You know, like I can't wait to try this again so I get it right. So that next time it's perfect. I can't wait to try this over and over and over again until such a point I'm perfect at it. Like I just can't wait. As time goes, I'm gonna get so good at this. Shem. The wig is actually nice. The problem is the installer. I probably shouldn't straighten it a little bit wet because since another rice water like it. But at this point, I didn't think this was gonna take so long. One thing I think I was straight na gorina. I get patience ya ho straight na miriri. Ke tshwara mo ke tloela. I need to cut this wig. Kupela liska ikwatela. Don't liska ba married me, guys. I actually need to cut this wig. The more I look at this, the more I look at this, the more I realize that I need to cut this wig to make it look like nice and proper. Okay, the straightening process is not helping, but I think you get the concept. This wig is actually nice. I just need to straighten it, okay? I just need to straighten it properly and make it like a proper wig, but it looks like my relaxed hair. And this came from Dragon City for only 700 rand. Can you believe? So obviously it doesn't look the best because this is the first time I install a lace front. But I think one thing I want you to think about whenever you're doing these new routines, like you're trying your makeup, you're trying beauty, is that the more you do it, the better you become at it. Keep trying, try. That's how I learned how to sew. That's how I learned how to do makeup. That's how I improved my YouTube videos, my editing. I can do so much now, and that's because the first time I did it, I was crap at it, and I tried it again, and it's going to be no different with laying wigs. But this wig is nice. The wig itself, it's giving. I think it's just the installer who needs to catch up to the greatness of this wig. So for the next few months, for the next few months or weeks, I'm going to keep practicing application, and hopefully we get better as we practice it together. Alright, ashimo indlu iwile saitopa rabono ribereka yanka yona. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you on the next one. The next one, I promise I'll do better than today's. But I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.